Every contractor knows that having the right tools for the job can make all the difference. Whether you're tackling small repairs or working on large construction projects, the tools you use should be reliable, durable, and efficient. Today, we're going to break down the 7 best construction tools every contractor should have in their arsenal. These are essential tools that solve common problems on the job, enhance your productivity, and ensure you get the job done right. Let's dive in and explore these must-have tools. Number 1. Jorest 38-Piece Small Precision Screwdriver Set. The Jorest 38-Piece Small Precision Screwdriver Set is a versatile tool that every contractor can appreciate. With its compact and organized design, this set makes precision work a breeze. The set includes various sizes of screwdrivers, perfect for tasks involving small components like electronics, machinery, or fine repairs. The tools are crafted from high-quality steel, ensuring both strength and durability for long-lasting performance. Each screwdriver is ergonomically designed, offering a comfortable grip that helps reduce hand fatigue during prolonged use. The set's portability is another standout feature, as it comes in a sturdy, compact case, making it easy to store and carry around. This is crucial for contractors who need to travel to job sites and require a portable tool solution. Additionally, the tips of the screwdrivers are magnetized, which allows for easy handling of screws and other small fasteners. This feature greatly improves the effectiveness of the tool, especially when working in tight spaces or handling small, delicate parts.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. Dewalt 20 VMAX Cordless Drill Impact Driver. The Dewalt 20 VMAX Cordless Drill and Impact Driver is one of the most reliable and powerful tools in the market today. Designed for heavy-duty performance, this tool is essential for any contractor who needs to drill and drive screws effortlessly through wood, metal, and other tough materials. The drill features a high-performance 20V lithium-ion battery that ensures long-lasting power, allowing contractors to work for extended periods without worrying about battery life. The cordless design provides freedom of movement, especially when working in tight spaces or remote areas. This combo kit comes with both a drill and an impact driver, providing versatility for all your drilling and driving needs. The drill's 2-speed transmission and variable speed control allow for precise adjustments based on the task at hand, while the impact driver delivers up to 1,825 Newtons of torque, making it perfect for driving long screws and bolts. The ergonomic design of the tools ensures a comfortable grip, even during extended use. Number 3. WorkPro Premium Utility Knife. A utility knife is one of those indispensable tools that contractors use daily. The WorkPro Premium Utility Knife stands out for its robustness and versatility. The knife features a heavy-duty design built to endure the rigorous demands of construction work. Its blade is made of high-carbon steel, which is sharp, durable, and capable of cutting through a variety of materials like cardboard, insulation, plastic, and even carpet. The quick-change blade mechanism makes it easy to replace blades on the fly, reducing downtime on the job. The handle of the WorkPro Premium Utility Knife is designed for comfort and control, featuring a non-slip rubber grip that ensures safety and stability while cutting. Its compact design makes it easy to carry in your tool belt, and the integrated lanyard hole allows for convenient storage. For added safety, the knife also includes a blade locking mechanism, ensuring that the blade stays securely in place while you work. Whether you're slicing through drywall, cutting wire, or trimming materials, this utility knife provides reliable, clean cuts. Number 4. The 3-in-1 Garage Door Lubricant. Maintaining smooth functioning garage doors is a must for contractors who deal with installations or repairs. The 3-in-1 Garage Door Lubricant is an all-in-one solution to ensure that garage doors work seamlessly every time. This specialized lubricant is designed to reduce friction and wear on the moving parts of garage doors, such as rollers, tracks, and hinges. By minimizing wear and tear, this lubricant helps prolong the life of the door and its components, saving you time and money on future repairs. One of the standout features of the 3-in-1 Garage Door Lubricant is its ability to penetrate deeply into metal surfaces, preventing rust and corrosion from forming. This makes it a great option for contractors working in areas with high humidity or fluctuating weather conditions. The spray nozzle allows for precise application, ensuring that you can target specific areas without making a mess. The lubricant also helps to reduce noise, creating a smoother, quieter operation. Whether you're performing routine maintenance or making repairs, the 3-in-1 garage door lubricant is an essential tool for ensuring the longevity and performance of garage doors on your projects. Number 5. Worx WX082L4V ZipSnip Cordless Electric Scissors. The Worx WX082L4V ZipSnip Cordless Electric Scissors are perfect for contractors who need a quick and easy cutting solution for a variety of materials. These electric scissors can cut through tough materials like fabric, cardboard, plastic, leather, and more with minimal effort. The 4V lithium-ion battery ensures long-lasting power, and the compact design makes it easy to handle with one hand, giving you more control and precision during cuts. The ergonomic handle is designed for comfort, making it easy to maneuver for extended periods without fatigue. The scissors are also equipped with a safety switch to prevent accidental activation, ensuring safe use on the job. The cutting blade is sharp and durable, providing smooth, clean cuts that reduce the need for additional finishing work. The Worx WX082L ZipSnip is ideal for tasks like cutting wires, trimming carpet, and even cutting through plastic pipes, making it an all-around tool for contractors. Number 6. Hardell Mini Cordless Rotary Toolkit. The Hardell Mini Cordless Rotary Toolkit is an excellent tool for contractors who need to do precision work in confined spaces. This mini rotary tool is powered by a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, offering portability and convenience without the need for a power cord. The tool is compact and lightweight, making it easy to handle for delicate tasks, whether you're grinding, sanding, polishing, or cutting. Its variable speed control allows you to adjust the speed depending on the task, ensuring the best results for each job. The kit includes multiple accessories such as sanding bands, polishing pads, and cutting wheels, making it a versatile tool for different construction needs. The tool's ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, even when working for extended periods. One of the key benefits of the Hardell Mini Cordless Rotary Toolkit is its precision, allowing you to work on detailed tasks like engraving, sanding intricate surfaces, or even cutting through thin metal sheets. Number 7. Wgge 015 Professional 8 Wire Stripper. The Wgge 015 Professional 8 Wire Stripper is a must-have tool for contractors who frequently work with electrical wiring. This wire stripper is designed to offer precision and efficiency when stripping wires of various gauges. The 8-inch length gives you enough leverage for comfortable handling, while the ergonomic non-slip handles ensure a firm grip, even when working in tight spaces. The tool features sharp, precise blades that strip insulation cleanly without damaging the wire, ensuring that you can perform your electrical work with confidence. The Wgge 015 also includes a built-in wire cutter, allowing you to trim wires easily after stripping them. It's made from high-quality carbon steel, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance, even under heavy use. The spring-loaded mechanism allows for smooth operation, while the adjustable tension ensures precise stripping every time. The tool is ideal for electricians, contractors, and DIY enthusiasts who need a reliable wire stripper for electrical installations, repairs, and maintenance. They have -7 essential construction tools every contractor should consider having in their toolkit. From precision screwdrivers to powerful drills and cutting tools, these products are designed to enhance your productivity and ensure you get the job done right. By choosing quality, durable tools, you'll be ready for any challenge that comes your way on the job site. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to check out these tools and upgrade your toolkit today.